What's the scariest part about trying to buy a home? Trying to figure out when to buy a home. Should you wait? What if I make a mistake? What if I buy at the wrong time? What if there's a market crash? Let's talk about it. It's pretty spooky. What's spooky? Well, Halloween's coming, woo! But the rates keep going up, right? And so people are freaked out. And they want to know, what should I do? Is the market going to crash? Are rates going to continue to climb? Should I wait to buy? What should I do? And what we're telling people, and the best advice I can give when I look at history, and I look at the last, 50, 60, 70 years, and every recession, every inflationary market, there's cycles. And the same thing happens every single time. And what that is rates go up when inflation is up. When inflation is high, rates go up high because we have to raise rates to control inflation. The more things cost people, whether it's a car loan, whether it's a credit card, the less likely they are to go spend. And inflation is basically too many dollars chasing too few goods. So too much money was infused into our market. We had all of the stimulus from the pandemic. We have a lot of money in our economy over the last couple of years, especially the last year. And then we had a supply chain issue. So too many dollars chasing too few goods caused inflation. So we raised the rates to slow down the buying, have people keep money in their savings account longer, because when rates go up, so do the savings returns in your account. Slows down inflation. When rates go up, we get a recession, and then rates come down. It happens every single time there's a recession and there's inflation. It's just something we can count on. It's a cycle. So when will rates come down? When inflation comes down. And we expect that to happen the beginning of first quarter of 23. So should you buy a house or should you wait? Well, home prices, the last 8 of 9 recessions, went up, not down. The only time home prices went down was in 2008, and that was when the housing crisis caused the recession. So home prices should continue to go up. Not at the rate we've been seeing, thank goodness. That was out of control. But they're predicting single digits, maybe 4, 5, 6%, depending on your market. So waiting to buy is going to have you pay more for a home, and maybe you'll get a better rate, but you're going to pay more for a home. Is it better to pay less for a home today, maybe take a rate you don't love, and then refinance next year? Yes, that's better because you're locking in a lower home price. You're not competing with a million buyers. Maybe you're able to actually get an appraisal and inspection, which you couldn't do 6 months ago if you wanted to compete. And you don't have to offer these crazy over asking prices with an appraisal gap. It's a great time to buy. We can always refinance your rate down the road. We are not expecting a market crash in any way, shape, or form. You are seeing home prices come down a little bit, but year over year, home prices are still much higher than they were. And we are not in a crashing market. We still have more demand than we have homes. So rates will come down. It's not the best idea to wait for rates to come down because home prices should go up. And if you love the home and you can afford the payment today, buy the home, lock in the value, and let's refinance you down the road. Michelle, Oddo, the Oddo Group, give us a call. We'd love to help you strategize on your home purchase.